Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. Today is going to be awesome because we have an 18 GT manual transmission running 93 octane. We installed the ROUSH Phase 2 Supercharger kit. We're going to make a dyno pull, but we installed some more parts as well. It's a really nice recipe for a sweet car. We'll go down and take a closer look. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. Let's go check it out. Okay, so here's what we have going. It's the Phase 2 Supercharger kit. I have Doug with me. Come down, let's take a closer look. It's the ROUSH TVS 2650 rotor pack on the 18 and newer Mustangs. Of course, you get the full intercooled supercharger, fuel injectors, the nice ROUSH air induction system, which looks something cool on this. I like the screen on there. You can see the air filter. But he didn't stop there. So we also did our cooling mods. We love cooling mods. You got the larger radiator, cooler thermostat, as well as a rear cylinder head cooling kit, oil pump gears. And I will put a link in the description so you can just click on and read a lot more about the parts I'm talking about right here, as well as you can email quote@brentspeed.com to say what's it costs to get this built. But we also installed a McLeod twin disc clutch, aluminum drive shaft, and DSS half shafts. So this is going to be a sweet setup. You know, you got the power, it's rated flywheel, 750. We're looking for well over 600 roll horsepower when you make the dyno pull, but it's got all the supporting mods to go along with it. So we said oil pump gears, cooling mods, drive shaft clutch, half shafts, and it's going to be a sweet setup. He's going to love it. So check out this dyno pull. All right, we're going to look at these numbers, but I want to explain something real quick. So we're talking 93 octane, manual transmission. This is the 50 state kit with the 50 state ROUSH calibration on this car. Doug, come over, take a look. 650 real horsepower on our dyno jet, rated SAE. Torque came in as stellar. This is really good. 594 rear wheel torque. That's going to be awesome on the street. He's going to need probably some better tires. But a lot of you have questions about this kit. You know, you can put it on a stock Mustang. It comes with calibration. This doesn't have headers or anything, okay? So this is the ROUSH kit with the 50 state cal. You get a warranty with that. Now here's how this warranty works. A lot of you question, I don't understand how the warranty works. They include, from ROUSH, it's a 3-year, 36,000 mile drivetrain warranty from when the vehicle was purchased new. So what that means is they offer coverage on your drivetrain, all right? That's a warranty through ROUSH. They can be handled through a Ford dealership or someone like us. And then again, it's 36,000 miles from when it was new, as well as 3 years from when the vehicle was purchased new. So if you bought a brand new, let's say 2021 Mustang, you just want to add a ton of power, not worry about it, this is a good way to go. So let's take one more look down here. Nice 2018, it's got 20,000 miles. TVS 2650 Supercharger, all the cooling mods, oil pump gears, you know, the clutch, the drive shaft, the half shafts. You don't have to have all these items, but it's basically some supporting mods we really like to do when you build your car here at Brent Speed. You can email quote@brentspeed.com. Hey, what's it cost to get built? And leave a comment. If you have questions about this, leave a comment. We'll do our best to answer. Thanks so much for watching.